Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are ready, VS Code installed, and a project folder created. Open that folder in VS Code using File Open Folder. Once done, create index. HTML with basic. Doc-type HTML skeleton so you have a working file. Make sure Live Server extension is installed now. It saves time. You will edit and preview in short loops. This is the first actionable move. Open the folder, create the file, verify extensions, and get ready to code. You now configure the editor for smooth HTML editing. Open index. HTML, confirm language mode shows HTML, and enable Emmet abbreviations to speed typing. Once ready, click the Go Live button at the bottom right, or right-click the file and choose Open with Live Server to launch the browser preview. Make sure autosave or manual saves refresh the preview. Split the editor to see code and preview side by side. This lets you edit HTML and instantly verify layout, style. You finish by testing the workflow. Edit a heading or paragraph, then save to confirm the browser updates. If nothing changes, make sure the file is inside the opened folder and Live Server is running. Reload the VS Code window or restart Live Server. For broken extension installs, reinstall the extension and check output for errors. Also use the integrated terminal to run lightweight servers or NPM scripts if needed. This solves most startup hiccups and gets you coding reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.